In this video we are talking about top 5 affordable ghostwriting services platforms. Number 1, Mermaid Publisher. Mermaid Publisher can help you write and publish your book while authorizing you with absolute control. You can self-publish your book and even get a complete book marketing plan for its promotion and distribution at a very reasonable price. Your search for affordable ghostwriting service can come to a satisfactory end with Mermaid Publishers. If you want to take Mermaid Publisher ghostwriting services, you can check out the link in description. Number 2, Write. Write is a specialized ghostwriting agency with several writing teams, each expert in a particular genre to maintain the high-quality standard. It's one of the best platforms to hire a ghostwriter who can turn your story into a masterpiece. Number 3, Amazon Publishing Central. If you aim for more than just writing ghostwriting, Amazon Publishing Central is the best choice for you. They can handle everything you need on your journey as a writer. You can get a book written from scratch and go all the way to publishing, promoting, and finally distributing it. Number 4, The Urban Writers. Urban Writers is also a great platform to hire affordable ghostwriting services. Here, you will find every sort of writing service with variable charges. You can customize a package for you that fits well with your project's requirements. Number 5, Vox Ghostwriting. If you are looking for budget-friendly and quality ghostwriting services, then Vox Ghostwriting would be your best option. When making your first order, you can avail as much as a 90% discount with no compromise on the quality of the content or delivery time. Writing a book is not as like a piece of cake as you imagine. This is why a professional ghostwriting agency can help you.